Welcome to our products demonstrations. Today we're going to introduce you to our new gas or propane fired oven. This oven is manufactured in Italy by Clementi. The oven is a very functional and very clean looking shape design of oven. It comes with a very nice sized door. This oven can be used to cook pizza or any other food. It also has a conversion kit. You can use gas, propane, or wood. The oven comes with the kit. This is to cover the gas burner that's on the side of the oven. And this is the wood holder that you can place on the opposite side. The oven dimensions inside are 60 cm deep by 80. This is a very nice oven. The floor is a clay stone. The oven comes equipped with a metal brush to clean the floor and 2 pizza peels and a holder that gets mounted on the side of the oven. It also comes with a laser gun to check the temperature in the oven. It also has feet that can be placed as over an existing countertop, but you can purchase a cart for the oven that comes as an option, and the cart has trays to different levels. You can place your food before or after you cook. On the side, the oven has a metal tray. It's stainless steel. You can pull it out and you can work your pizza right on the stainless steel. It's the purpose of it. It also has, as an option, a cooking tray that gets mounted on the face of the oven as a permanent hookup, but it can also be removed, taken apart, or you can place to be on the side of the oven. This way you can place your steak or vegetables, and without too much hassle, you can just put it inside the oven and let it cook and take it out to check on the food, or place it to the side of the oven. Very nice, clean look. The oven comes in black. That's the color we stock with the stainless steel, because it blends in with a lot of other appliances that you might have on an outdoor kitchen, or it comes in a few different colors as options. Thank you for joining us. If you'd like to learn more about our gold model gas or propane or wood oven, you may visit our showroom at 1015 West Jericho Turnpike in Smithtown, New York. We'll be happy to educate you and answer any questions you have about our new Clementi gold model oven.